वो जो पार्टी है जिसने आपको 2 नेशनल अवार्ड्स दिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी, उनका कहना है कि सावरकर देशभक्त बिल्कुल नहीं थे क्योंकि उन्होंने कई बार माफ़ी मांगी थी ब्रिटिशर्स से, और you know, we should not really give him adulation as a national icon.
This is a very large subject, but if I tell you my thoughts on it, you know, I have studied a lot on this and I have done a lot of research. I have also done a film of a martyr. It's very evident, it's very clear, and it's a matter of fact that British did not take over India by some democratic process, right? It was a forceful occupation of this nation, and there were some battles here and there, but in 1857 there was a decisive, पहला जो स्वतंत्रता संग्राम हुआ था, it was a decisive fight for freedom, and they somehow curbed it. What followed after that is the most unfortunate part of the history. More unfortunate than what happened to Jews also. It is more unfortunate than that also, but it was not printed in the media. Whether Jallianwala Bagh or whether Bengal famine, whatever they did after that, they went for Indians because they were able to curb that first fight of independence. And in that phase, what Indians cultivated in them, a strong sense of being wronged. And at times when you're stripped of everything, they left us literally starved. We did not have money to even eat. And so many near dear ones dying in front of, all you want is to fight, you know? And I'm not saying this is right or this is wrong. I'm saying this is how human psyche is. And British were acutely aware of it, that the blood will flow. But they decided whose blood will flow. It shouldn't be their blood. And for that, they needed some people who could help them. So that Indians and Indians' blood flows, but not theirs. Now these are the people who were labeled as liberals, Congress, and so on and so forth. These are the people who swiftly, like आज़ादी अगर भीख में मिले तो क्या वो आज़ादी हो सकती है? आप खुद बताइए। जब गुलामी आपको उन लोगों ने युद्ध करके दी थी तो आज़ादी आपको भीख में कैसे मिल सकती है? Mountbatten was here for the longest time doing what he had to do, and then what happened? पाकिस्तान बना, Islamic Republic बना, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान secular. What is secular? Secular is no man's land. Not your, not mine, everybody's. It is a no man's land, right? Because what British left behind in the name of Congress, they were the extension of the British. They were the extension of the British. And they knew, they were very well aware, they knew that after breaking India into pieces, we have made one Islamic Republic. Doesn't mean Hindus can't live there. 30% of population was still Hindu. We also had some 10-15% of Muslim, but still it was called no man's land. Why? Because they knew the extension of British would not be, they will rip them apart if they do not play on Hindu, Muslim, secular, vicular, and this and that. This is Congress in a nutshell. And coming back to Savarkar or Lakshmi Bai or Neta Bose, coming back to these people knew that the blood will flow, but it should not be Hindustani blood. They knew it. And they paid a price, of course. वो आज़ादी नहीं थी, वो भीख थी, और जो आज़ादी मिली है, वो 2014 में मिली है।
इसीलिए सब आपको कहते हैं कि आप भगवा हैं।
अभी मुझ पे 10 केस और होने वाले हैं इसके बाद।
अभी तो आप दिल्ली में हैं, वो तो बॉम्बे में, मुंबई में जाएंगे।
जाना तो घर ही है ना।
आपने जो कहा, इससे बिल्कुल जाहिर है, और मुझे नहीं लगता कि इस ऑडियंस में किसी को भी जरा सा भी शक या शुबा है कि आप किस तरफ जा रही हैं।
मैं किस तरफ जा रही हूँ? आपका शक बिल्कुल गलत है। आपका शक बिल्कुल गलत है। मैं एक शुद्ध नेशनलिस्ट हूँ, देशभक्त हूँ और मेरा इंटरेस्ट सिर्फ देशभक्ति में है। मैं अपने काम से बहुत खुश हूँ। मेरे काम में इज्जत भी मिलती है, पैसा भी मिलता है, अच्छे कपड़े भी पहन सकते हैं, अफेयर भी कर सकते हैं, सब कुछ कर सकते हैं।
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ काजल मानेकिया, न्यूज़ एक्सपोज एशिया से। यदि आप यह वीडियो फेसबुक पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को फॉलो और लाइक जरूर करें, और यदि आप यह वीडियो यूट्यूब पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलें, ताकि देश और दुनिया की कोई भी खबर आप मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ एक्सपोज एशिया।